In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Gist and Pipedrive, two popular CRM platforms. We will explore their features, pricing, and use cases to determine which is the best CRM for 2024. Gist is an all-in-one marketing automation platform that offers a wide range of features, including email marketing, live chat, and automation workflows. Pipedrive, on the other hand, is a sales-focused CRM that helps businesses manage their sales pipelines and track deals. In terms of features, both Gist and Pipedrive offer robust CRM capabilities. Gist's automation features are particularly strong, allowing you to create complex workflows to nurture leads and engage customers. Pipedrive, on the other hand, offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to manage your sales pipeline and track deals. When it comes to use cases, Gist is well-suited for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an all-in-one marketing solution. Pipedrive, on the other hand, is ideal for sales teams looking for a CRM that is focused on managing and tracking deals. Gist offers free plan with $0 per month, while Pipedrive charge $9 per month. In conclusion, both Gist and Pipedrive offer strong CRM solutions with unique features and pricing plans. To determine which is the best CRM for your business in 2024, consider your specific needs and try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Click the link in the description to try Gist and Pipedrive for free.